All right, so this is our warm up from yesterday. A drawer contains 15 t shirts. There are 4 blue, 9 green, and 2 black t shirts. A t shirt is grabbed at random from the drawer. Which statements correctly describe the likelihood of an event? Select true or false and explain your reasoning. It is unlikely that a black t shirt will be selected. So A, I would have chosen false, and I'm sorry, unlikely. My bad. True. Um, it only has a 2 out of 15 chance of being picked, and compared to 13 out of 15 to not being picked. Being picked. Okay. So it is unlikely that a black t-shirt will be selected. True. Only a 2 out of 15 possibility of being picked compared to a 13 out of 15 possibility of not being picked. It is certain that a green t-shirt will be selected. So B is false. Certain in probability is 100% or 1, and green t-shirt is only 9 out of 15. Okay, has a high probability, but it's not certain. C, it is impossible that a red t-shirt will be selected. That's also false. Impossible in probability is 0% or 0. And oh, wait a sec. There is no red t-shirt. My bad. True. There are no red t-shirts. D. Can you tell it's early for me? It is likely that a blue t-shirt will be selected. I'd say false. So it's 4 out of 15, which isn't likely. Likely, I'd like to say, is like greater than 50%. So not greater than 50%. It's definitely more likely that a green t-shirt is going to be picked. Okay. So that's the top section. I want to think if my answer is right. I want to try to think about how I would explain that answer using what I know about probability so far. Okay. The bottom says use the distributive property to rewrite each expression. -7 times the quantity of -5g plus 12 minus 27. So I would take -7 times -5g. That would be 35 g's plus -7 times 12, which is going to be -84 minus 27. Okay. And I could think of this as minus 84, or I could think of this as plus -84. Either way, it's the same. Okay. And so now I'm taking -80. I want to combine the like terms here too. Although it didn't say that, but I would simplify it. I would take -84 plus or minus 27. So -84 minus is the same as plus -27 two negatives, it gets more negative. It's very negative. And then we have, get 111. So I simplify this to 35g minus 111. I could write this as 35g plus negative 111 as well. Last but not least, we have negative 6.4y plus 14.4 all over negative 16 hundredths. Okay, this is the distributive property of division over addition. It's saying I can separate this out, so it would be negative 6.4y over negative 16 hundredths plus 14.4 over negative 16 hundredths. Okay, then it goes in 4 times. So on the left, this would be 4y Wait, let me try that again. 6.4. Aw, 40y. My bad. Then on the right-hand side, I get 90. And so this simplifies down to 40y plus 90. Okay, so here I use the distributive property of multiplication over addition, and then I combine the like terms. This, I use the distributive property of division over addition, and then I simplify the fractions to give me a simpler algebraic expression. That was your warm-up from yesterday.